Oh, you guys follow me.
Right there. It's right there. Yo, what's up, guys? Now today we're gonna be investigating. Make sure you like, subscribe, cause someone opened that sliding glass door. I don't know who, but see, look, it's cracked open. Again, remember we closed this? It was cracked open like this.
Yeah, I know, we closed it.
Yeah, I closed.
You
did video, Alea?
Yes, I am. Because
Go to YouTube. Are you on YouTube?
no.
You have to go on YouTube. That's how you make it. Go to YouTube.
I don't want to. I'll make it then. Jeez.
Okay, I gotta grab.
Oh,
my boots.
open. We heard it, but
What size is that? Size.
playing the game, and then all of a sudden, my brother Cedric right here, who's Zephyr, he just heard the door shut. He said it sounded like this. He heard it open like this.
And I'm not kidding. Honest to God, I crossed my heart.
And then we
Feel like you
closed
gonna help
it,
him?
and then it was cracked open.
I'm not gonna lie. Okay, guys.
In the box, Cedric.
Okay. Oh my God! There's somebody.
And then, so we're gonna go investigate this.
Here's my little sister. Don't need go white. Don't need go white. Doors.
I know we should have done a video.
Guys, we were just playing around in the living room until my brother heard that someone opened the door, and then nobody's in our house, but then this door is cracked open again for the last 15 times. Quit leaving the door open.
Jeez.
Doors. Okay, guys, we're going to check it out.
Go first. You're going. Cedric,
Guys,
you act
wait up.
like a man. You can go first.
Guys, wait up. Guys.
Oh my gosh. Seriously. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Guys, I'll tell you when to go, okay? You know what's up, guys? We just heard a crack. See that? Go check out my brother's video and go. Do not check out hers. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. Yo, look at that light. Yo, look at that light.
Grandma turned it on.
Yeah, but it don't say that long on. Guys, so we're gonna check it out. Grandma probably turned it on. Okay, we're still
Are
going.
you going, Victoria? Outside.
Okay, there's nobody.
No, we're going outside fully to see who actually.
There's no one here. Yo, I'm just gonna walk around the whole town. We were playing in there. We were playing in there, actually.
We're playing cards. And
Playing cards.
Oh,
And then.
lights off. I'm turning mine on.
Okay. So I'm turning mine off. Here, should I go first? Should I go first? Guys, we're gonna be so quiet. Is there somebody under there? No, wait. Imagine somebody hiding. Oh, I just heard a noise. Don't step on the door. Go back out there. Go back out. I was teasing you guys. It's a prank. You guys. What happened? Okay, those two got pranked. Oh, we still have to look for that. One of these people, somebody. No, I'm scared of you. I'm scared. Doors. Go hide. we gotta go tell them. Oh, you sucker! One back! Oh, dang it! We gotta
Go!
just run to the back. I'm telling Mom. No, I'm telling her. We gotta stay on this. Yo, is there?
I crossed my heart.
No.
I did it.
Yo, guys, look it. Yo, someone put that there. Come on, come on. Hold it, hold it. Mom, we heard a noise. Mom, was that? Did you guys come to the house because we heard a noise, and then when we went to,
Stop yelling.
we heard the noise, and then we went from the sliding glass door. We went and looked at the sliding glass. And the sliding glass door was cracked like this.
And we closed it. We make sure when you guys left, it was
Yeah.
closed.
And they locked it.
Yeah.
Oh, because
were all in the living room?
I heard something close door in the
Oh God, that scared me. That scared me, guys.
We're gonna look for it.
Guys, we're gonna go inside. Yeah, it's too freaky. I just told my mom. Yo, watch out for any danger. Don't. Give it, kiss. Yo, guys. So, make sure you like and subscribe because it's too freaky. It's oh my God, the door's cracked again.
It's not.
Guys, we're gonna cut this video for today. See ya.
Come on, get your stuff.